All right, everybody, we're cutting the rotors on the Camaro.
What happened?
What happened?
Hey,
We're cutting the rotors on the Camaro. What happened?
happened?
Yeah.
What happened?
Rotors.
Whose car? Oh! We're
getting it all done. Here's the meats. But I'm over here working on the fronts, as you guys can see. Paint mistake. I'm gonna have to get these powder coated by a professional because I have no clue what I'm doing. But we're right here. Ivan's helping me. We're keeping it out as fast as we can because it is work hours. Got the AC Delco, but there's a paint mistake right there. Some other rims are off rounded. Same thing on this side. This side looks better. I dropped it. Probably because I didn't clean it too well. I'm gonna leave the painting to some professional powder coaters. I'm gonna bring the calipers too. Not anytime soon, but I'm gonna just leave the calipers like that for now. You guys can see the meats. Toyo Proxies 315s. They don't last for shit, but they're good as fuck. Waiting on the rotors getting cut. Rotors are getting cut. Got them all right here. And for everybody watching this, use my mistakes as you're learning. Basically, see how the slots are? They have to be facing down based on the size. I overheated the rotors because I put them on the wrong side. So basically, the slots have to be pointing down. I'll show you guys when it's on, but yeah, I never knew that. Nothing on the box ever said that. I never really messed with slotted rotors and drilled in slotted rotors until I got this car, obviously. The slots have to be going forward instead of backwards. I overheated the rotors. I didn't know that until I got told that literally right now. So I'm gonna flip them the proper way and we're gonna go from there. I can't speak English today, guys. It's sitting pretty on the hoist though. Big things coming for it soon. This is the proper way. That way it doesn't overheat the disc. See, my dumbass put those hashes that way, so I guess it makes a difference, which I didn't even know. So hey, you learn something new every day. Almost there. I'm gonna actually do the oil change on the car too. This is why I hate black. Look at this. It's like from a rock or something on the freeway. We're draining the oil now. Look how dark it is. I just did my oil change not even 6,000 miles ago, but it smells like nasty shit because of the 85 mixture. And I didn't film when I first drained it, so I'm just showing you guys it's slowly draining. So you guys can see royal purple. Only the best of the best goes on this car, except now I have to get K&N, which is still fucking good. But I gotta put it to K&N because they don't have any more royal purple, so I'm gonna let it finish draining and then put the filter on and we're good to go. All right, everybody. I'm gonna pop this off right now. See, royal purple. Let it drain so I don't miss. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this multitasking. I'm gonna make a mess. It's still warm. I'm gonna just make a mess, guys. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna clean it up anyways. Luckily, this car's not too hot. Old filter. And I'm just waiting for the parts. New filter. The purple. Got my royal purple right here. Ready to put in some work. Got my dirty ass engine bay. Full detail coming once nitrous is done. Call me stupid, but this oil is actually fucking purple. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is literally purple. Y'all probably can't see it because of the shadows, but it's actually purple. Just topping off my fluids right now. Still gotta put the brake fluid in, but don't mind the car, it's filthy. So you guys can see. Shout out to Ivan helping me out, making the job go 15 times quicker. If not, I would have been here doing everything by myself. I mean, obviously, did the oil change and all that shit by myself, and I know how to do everything. They just sped up the process a whole lot more. Nitrous right there. I'm gonna finish filling up the fluids and we're good to go. We're all good to go. I'm just right here kind of tightening up these wires a little bit, and I'm gonna tuck them up here. Just that way they're out of the way, but I don't want to hit the switch on, I don't want to hit the switch on accident, so I'm just gonna tuck it up there. That way it's not in the way and I'm not stepping all over them all the time. I got brand new windshield wipers too. It's not winter time or rain season, but I still need them because if I accidentally hit the windshield thing, it's gonna scrape the shit out of my windshield, so it's mandatory. The windshield wipers, good to go. So you guys' last look. the Toyos. I'm on 315s, so they still hook good. Eric ruined the video. I'm just kidding. But still on 315s. But I'm about to put those bead locks on and just change the car up completely. Did a little ghetto tuck away just for now. That way I can have it cleaned up. And get the trash out the car too. But with that, we're gonna call it one. Hope you guys enjoyed the mini video of me working on the car, and I've been helping out. So, you know, I'm getting some bead locks. We'll see what happens. Couldn't really film too much because I was on work hours while working on the car, so I couldn't take too much time to film. But yeah, rotors were cut, oil change done, tuck the wires up, and then getting some bead locks hopefully within the next couple days. So stay tuned for that.
I've been on the move for a long time, fighting with the man on my shoulder. I was dealing with self-doubt. All my life I've been the fucking underdog. Used to want to